Today, we will show you how to create and manage different vehicle types and their pricing. Begin by clicking on the Manage menu from the top bar. Here, you will find an option called Vehicle Type and Pricing. Upon clicking this, you will be redirected to the vehicle type screens. This screen displays a list of vehicle types. The admin can search for a specific vehicle type based on its name, and the data will be listed accordingly. Once this is done, a new vehicle type can be created by clicking on the New button. The admin can also upload an image of the vehicle type by clicking on Browse Image. The system provides predefined vehicle type images for reference, or a custom image can be uploaded. After an image is selected, the system also offers predefined marker images. These will appear on the customer application as a marker on the map. Once a marker image is selected, the admin can assign a name to the vehicle type. Below this, the Service tab is listed for either taxi or rental services. Please note that the Service tab will only appear if the rental module is enabled. Moving on to fare calculation, there are 3 different types. The first one is Auto, where the system calculates the final fare based on travel distance and time at the end of the trip. The second option is Fixed, where the pricing remains the same at the end of the trip as it was at the time of estimation. The third option is Manual, where the driver enters the fare based on the meter reading in their car. Lastly, we will discuss the capacity of the vehicle type. This refers to the number of customers and pieces of luggage a vehicle can accommodate. The admin can select the minimum and maximum capacity. When a customer requests a car with a capacity greater than the minimum, they will be informed about any extra charges if such charges have been configured in the pricing section. This also applies to luggage capacity. Let's discuss the availability options. There are 3 options under availability. The first, All, makes the vehicle type available to both regular and corporate customers. If Customer Only is selected, the vehicle type will be exclusively for regular trips. Conversely, if Corporate Only is chosen, the vehicle type will be solely for corporate trips. Now, let's move on to the description. Here, the admin can input a description of the new vehicle type. Upon clicking Create Vehicle Type, 2 different pop-up windows will appear. The first is the Vehicle Type pop-up, where the system asks if the admin wishes to assign pricing to this specific vehicle. If Yes is clicked, the Assigned Pricing pop-up will appear, allowing the admin to choose between normal pricing or meter pricing. Based on the selected pricing, the corresponding pricing schema will appear. There's also a time slot configuration. If enabled, the admin can set pricing based on time, which is useful for companies that charge a higher price for night drives. The admin can select the pricing and the time. When you click the Submit button, a pop-up window for the subscription plan will appear. The admin will need to decide who to assign the subscription plan to for this vehicle type, as a new vehicle type has been created. If Yes is clicked, a new subscription plan will need to be created. If No is clicked, the process will conclude. As you can see, a vehicle type is created, but it is inactive by default. To activate the vehicle type, pricing needs to be assigned by clicking the Assign button. When a price is assigned to a specific vehicle type, the pricing will be assigned to it. Afterward, by clicking on the status of the vehicle type, the admin can update the status of that specific vehicle type. Let's delve into the details of the vehicle type. Upon clicking on the vehicle title, you will be navigated to the Vehicle Details screen. Here, an administrator can see the number of zones created for this vehicle type, the number of searches generated for the vehicle type, and the pricing designated to this specific vehicle type, along with any additional calculations. This allows the administrator to view the specifics of a particular vehicle type. The fourth feature relates to drivers, indicating the number of drivers currently utilizing this vehicle type. Administrators have the capability to perform actions such as editing the vehicle type details or removing the vehicle type entirely. There's also a third option, Accept Other. Upon clicking on Accept Other, a list of vehicle types will surface. Here, the administrator can determine if the scooter is the primary vehicle type and which ones are secondary. For instance, if a scooter is established as a vehicle type, another preference could be a bike. Thus, If a customer requests a bike, the driver operating a scooter will also receive the request from the bike vehicle type. Moving forward, administrators can manage the display order of the vehicle types. When the display order button is clicked, a list of vehicle types will appear, allowing the administrator to rearrange the vehicle types. Once the Save button is clicked, the display order of the vehicle types will be updated. This order will then be visible in the customer application. The display order for the vehicle type, which you wish to prioritize, can be managed using their display order options. Furthermore, when the base price is clicked, the assigned pricing will be visible. To change this price, simply click on Change Price. A pricing assignment pop-up will then appear. This allows administrators to effectively manage the vehicle type, including its creation, pricing assignment, and display order management for the customers. And that's how the vehicle type section operates.